Well, we just had wanted to have a small get-together surprise, Gab and John, to see the first time the Birkin project that we've been doing since October. So it's the limited edition Urban Dub John and Gab guitars.
Right.
They wanna show you something.
Ano to, unveiling?
Design.
John's design. John's design.
Your collaboration.
Ako yung pinaka-contribution ko yung color. Sige, sir?
Yeah.
Ikaw dyan. Wow! Ooh!
I was too overwhelmed. But unreal. Ilang beses na ba sa interview na sinasabi akong surreal?
Surreal, but at first weird. You know, even more so now that it's actually here. Parang kami talaga. Bakit? But you know, we've had a really long relationship then with JB. You know, we were more than happy na, you know, they felt honored that we were going to be able to represent the company in a different way. That's crazy, dude. Galing. Tugtog tayo ulit. Ganda, sir. Nakakaiyak naman. Ang weird. Actually, we were very happy kasi Boss Jericho gave us free rein. Design the guitar that you want and then we'll make it for you. So we were like, oh, happy. So immediately I said, sige, Jan, ikaw na bahala. Jan did it.
It's a Les Paul copy. Yung nag-start yung dub when we got here, we were using Les Paul. So it was fitting. Every shape, yung pagka-setup, even the wood.
The design also is very much of yung character ng Urban Dub. Yung beginnings, that's why the shape of the body is like that. The matte finishes, because we like matte colors. Like every time we get guitars, and then the esoteric markings, the earth, fire, water, and wind markings, the triangles. So yung 4 elements ng Urban Dub were also present in the design.
Thank you to Sir. He gave us the freedom to put whatever we want on this guitar.
Hey, Ma, look at me now.
I asked John and Gab what they wanted. I mean, dream specs. So luckily, with the price points that we want to sell it, we were able to give them everything that they wanted, from the wood, even the hardwares that are the Korean hardwares, branded ones. It's really something you could compare to those world famous guitar brands out there. They're really as good as it gets.
The main point was to make a guitar naman that's functional at the same time affordable. In the end of the day, we want also something that people can actually buy and be able to use live in good quality. In a lot of ways, it's a Filipino-made design, so that's more important than anything else. It's a first, so we're very happy.
It's more of, I guess, relationships that I have with the bands and how, if they want one, because we don't really tap musicians for marketing purposes, but really to work with them, to grow with them. And if they really want to do like a project like this, then we are open to that, and we are in talks actually with a few of them already. You guys should be excited for the next few months.
Ganda-ganda sana.
John Dinopal of Urban Dub.
Hi, I'm Gabby Alipe from Urban Dub.
And this is the unboxing of JB's first signature guitar.
Made by Fernando for Urban.
Right?
Buksan na.
Of course, it's Fernando.
Pinagawa talaga namin yung box.
Ito kinabayan na sa Libre Manilo.
Custom-made wrapping. Wow.
This is the guitar. It's really, really pretty.
But it's a matte finish.
It's flat black,
Black machine heads,
black hardwares,
black gear stuff.
and you can see the logos on 4 elements.
The triangle, which represents the 4 members of the band.
And on the 12th fret, the name of the dub.
Our name on it. paint like that?
This guitar is named UDBJ 2K. It's the UW John 2000 because that was the year Urban Dub was formed.
Maganda yung tone.
If you're a fan of Urban Dub, when we first got here, we were using Les Pauls.
It fits perfectly with the specs na I wanted.
The body is all mahogany. Even the top. The fingerboard is rosewood. Neck is mahogany. So it's not bolt-on. That's how I want my guitars.
When we tested it out before, it fits naman what I prefer in terms of a tone coming from a guitar.
If the lighting is that good, you will see a very discreet logo of the ant.
Yeah, it's made by Fernando and it's nice.
Tara, tugtog tayo.